Mira Faisal from grade 2. I am here to present to you some sources of media. Yes, a model of laptop, TV and a smartphone. Laptop is a computer that is easy to carry around. It contains screen, keyboard, pointing device like touchpad, plus usually a microphone and